Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle!
Okay, today we got Jacksonville officers punch man after he refuses to exit car.
Yes, sir.
Is there a reason why you're popping the door open like that?
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. Two things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
It's daylight. I don't need the lights. And it's not weather. It's not raining.
Oh, this is inclement?
It's not raining.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you why I'm pulling you over. Give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No, call your supervisor. Why?
Excuse me?
Call your supervisor. Why did you pull me over?
27, 35. I'm properly driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle.
It's currently not raining, there's plenty of daylight out, and it's only 4:18 p.m. So this is a BS traffic stop. However, it's not a good idea to slam and lock the door in front of a police officer that just told you to get out, because it's gonna make him suspicious and jumpy. And when a cop gets jumpy, bad things can happen.
Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Okay. Sir, this is your last warning to open the vehicle and exit before we're going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window.
Well, we're conducting a traffic stop right now. You need to comply.
No, he's under arrest.
Hey, I'll lock the car. I'm going to push it up.
Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting.
Can you unlock the door and step out? I will. Can you step out? You're being done. There's a traffic stop being conducted. You're required to comply.
Vehicle's blocked in.
Yes.
He's locked it up. Put the window down.
Correct.
Try to talk to.
Huh? Okay. So what did he ask for when he I guess, talked to you?
When he pulled me over, he walked up, opened my door because my window don't work, right? And then I said, so what I did wrong?
Yeah.
He said, well, for one, your headlights are off under this weather. I'm like, there's multiple people headlights off.
Okay, that's still
and then there's no rain.
It doesn't matter. You're still required to have headlights on.
Can you pull that law up?
Huh?
Can you pull that law up?
Yeah, when you step out of the car, I will.
Hey.
Can you call your supervisor?
Huh?
Can you call your supervisor?
All right, go for it.
Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle! Show me your hands.
Here.
1033 at 16.1 hours.
What is your reason, sir? What is your reason?
Step out now. All right. Get on the ground.
Don't touch me.
Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! What's wrong with you?
What you mean? I was putting my hands behind my back. I was on.
Ain't no talking now, man. Ain't no talking.
What's going on, man?
You're under arrest. That's what's going on.
No,
Yes, bro, yes!
lawful reason, bro.
All right, check this out right here. No headlights here and no headlights here. And wait for it.
You look on the phone like that, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off of you, bro. Yeah.
And I'm just trying to have a regular conversation with y'all, bro.
That's not how it works.
Okay, no headlights here and no headlights here and one headlight here. So that's 4 out of 5 cop cars with no headlights. How are you gonna pull this man over for not using headlights in inclement weather when none of y'all are using headlights yourself? Okay, that's baloney. And now let's talk about police brutality. Okay, we're in slow motion here and the cop cracks the window and then he busts open the rest of it and the guy's just sitting there staring into outer space. And then the cop sucker slaps him, which is unnecessary because he's just sitting there doing nothing. Okay, so they rip him out of the car right here finally. And then they're going to grab his arms and put his hands behind his back. This guy pulls his neck down, and then he sucker uppercuts him right here, which is super nasty. Right there. See, hands behind the back and sucker uppercuts him, which is a super cheap shot and super unnecessary. And then he drops to the ground. And why are we punching him in the leg over and over again here? Are we trying to give him a Charlie horse in the leg just for fun? And then the pushing down on his head. Why are we pushing his head into the ground while someone else is already sitting on top of him, handcuffing him? Super unnecessary. This is excessive force for sure, and police brutality, no doubt. So then they find some marijuana in his pocket, search him some more but don't find anything else, put him in the cop car, and take him to jail. And according to this article written by BBC, we know that this Florida officer was suspended over this viral traffic stop footage, and the driver pleaded guilty to resisting a police officer without violence and driving on a suspended driver's license. He was sentenced to 2 days in jail. And in his Instagram video, McNeil said his tooth was chipped and he required stitches to his mouth after the arrest and suffered a concussion. And now I'm going to leave you with this statement by the Jacksonville sheriff. So make sure you smash that like button for me and enjoy this last clip.
I can understand the officer punching the window out, but what I don't understand is, and I know you said that this was not ruled criminal, sucker punching the guy in the jaw.
First of all, let me stop you. Not a sucker punch. I'm not excusing that administratively. I'm gonna say that to you one more time. I'm not excusing that administratively. There are things that we definitely need to look at, but the context of this video should tell you everything you need to know.
Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle!
Not a sucker punch. Not a sucker punch. Not a sucker punch. Not a sucker punch.
Behind your back! I'm resisting! Behind your back!
Not a sucker punch.